Yo, 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 yo. Just a quick update on these bell peppers here. Look at how many are growing. This is the remotely controlled grow room that you guys control over on Twitch. You guys can see different cameras. It's all the data is controlled by the pulse units. It's pretty cool. And then in behind there, we've got an orange. That's a navel orange seedling over there. But I just can't believe that how well this is growing with a completely random light cycle, completely random watering cycle. Since you guys control the fan, the humidifier, the exhaust, the light schedule, the watering, it's pretty cool to see the different outcomes each plant gets. And as you can see, all the flowers in the front of this one here. We're gonna get even more peppers on that one. That one over there I think might be done flowering, but we've got some huge peppers. It always surprises me. It's always exciting to follow along with it. But if you guys want to join in, check out the links in the description. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. Peace, love, and cheers.